Hello everyone. I had this problem with my car, which is a Ford Mondeo, and I went online and I saw that a lot of people are having the same problem, and nobody really has found a solution to it. And a lot of people were arguing about, is this sensor, that sensor, this, that, the other. So the problem is the temperature in my car should sit right around the middle or just below that middle line. But in my car, what it will do is it will warm up and then it will get to the middle line, and then randomly it will drop slightly, never below the first one and never above the medium one. But yeah, and the engine was running smooth and everything. I had no issues with it, but it's just something that was bugging me a bit and I wanted to get it sorted. So I went and I got coolant sensor, temperature coolant sensor, which is about 20 quid from Euro car parts. We fitted it in, which goes, this is a 2-liter diesel, and that sensor goes at the back side of the thermostat housing, right? So we replaced that and the issue was still going. Then I read somewhere, just like literally one person had to do a lot of digging, but basically one person said get your EGR cleaned, and I thought, this has nothing to do with it. But then I got my friend and we were looking at the engine bay, and it does actually make sense if you think about it, because the EGR does get cooling, and somehow when it gets blocked it does that. Anyways, I went to Harford's and I thought to myself, one of them cans for EGR cleaning is about 10 quid, even less I think. So let me get one and I'll try and see if it makes any difference. So I went to my friends again, yeah, and we put that EGR can spray thingy where you have to undo the manifold intake, which goes just that pipe that goes behind the filter, and then you spray that while you're revving the engine. So one person has to sit in and rev the engine up to about 1500 2000 rpm, and the other person has to spray that with like 2-second intervals, something like that, and just keep it running for a bit, for like 5 minutes, something like that. And yeah, I mean, it's incredible. It fixed the problem, and I wasn't even expecting it to fix the problem. So yeah, if anyone's got that problem with a Ford Mondeo diesel, this is a 2-liter diesel, this is a 2007 model, is a mk4. If you've got that problem where your temperature needle thingy it's not going past the middle, so it's not overheating, but sometimes it will drop slightly or a bit more, yeah, that means it's overcooling. Or I think that's the term for it, yeah. If it's overcooling, get your EGR sorted, get it cleaned. Ideally you would want somebody to take it off and just clean it completely and yeah, thoroughly and everything. But that's gonna be a more expensive solution. Is gonna, yeah, you're gonna have to shed a bit more money for that. But if you want a quick solution, if your EGR is not completely blocked and it's not completely screwed, then yeah, that spray can thingy from Halfords or Euro car parts, whatever, it's called EGR cleaner, yeah, and it's got instructions on it. It's very simple to use, even a 5-year-old can do it. So yeah, try that. It's for 8 quid you can fix that problem, and I know a lot of people are struggling with it. Some people were saying something about oil coolant sensor, listen, this is the mk4, it's not the 1.8. it doesn't have it. Me and my friend were looking for that sensor, we couldn't find anything like that. Yeah, on this car you literally just got one thing, which is that the housing, the thermostat housing, and I think the thermostat comes inside of it, it's built in, so you can't really just change the thermostat, you have to change the whole housing. And then behind that housing that's where the coolant temperature sensor is. It looks like a nipple basically, yeah, and it's got like a green connector on it. Yeah, and that costs like 15-20 quid from Euro car parts, or even like 5 quid, one of them cheap ones from eBay. That's not the problem. Most likely it's gonna be your EGR is clogged, it's full of soot and dirt and everything. So get it cleaned and try that can. If your EGR is not fully blocked, that EGR can cleaning thingy might help you. and is a cheap and quick fix as well. It literally just needs a screwdriver, 5 minutes, and a can, and just 2 people, one inside, one outside. That's it, sorted. Yeah, let me know, guys, if you have any questions. I got this Ford Mondeo mk4 2007. I had a lot of problems with it, and I'm fixing everything up, and yeah, now it's a really tidy car. Yeah, if you guys have any questions, then just leave it below in the comment section, and I'll try and answer you. Just basically helping people out, because I know a lot of people, they have that problem and they can't like figure out what's the issue or how to solve it. Yeah, no worries.